Welcome to Maexology. This video we are going to look at 14 autonomous mobile homes that you have never seen. Sit back and enjoy watching. Imagine living on water with all the comforts of a modern home. Welcome to Genius Hausboote. These floating homes combine sleek design, eco-friendly technology and unmatched tranquility. The compact and affordable houseboat Babbalucci is a real space miracle thanks to its innovative interior design. And this boat is also sustainable because all the superstructure and the interior are made from real wood materials. Each boat is equipped with solar panels, energy-efficient systems, and stunning interiors, offering panoramic views and ultimate comfort. Whether you're enjoying a quiet sunrise on the deck or hosting friends on the water, it's a lifestyle that's both luxurious and sustainable. Genius Hausboote isn't just a home, it's a dream. Why settle for ordinary when you can live extraordinary? Escape to nature without sacrificing comfort. Welcome to Landpod. Designed for adventurers and dreamers, it offers cozy, off-grid living with a touch of modern convenience. These compact pods are lightweight, weatherproof and easy to set up, making them perfect for camping, glamping, or even a backyard retreat. With solar power options, comfy sleeping areas, and minimal maintenance, it redefines outdoor living. Inside, you'll find cozy sleeping areas for up to 5 people, complete with memory foam mattresses to ensure a comfortable rest after a day of adventure. It also features modular designs, allowing you to customize the interior to suit your needs. Add storage, seating, or even a kitchenette. For the eco-conscious, it offers solar-powered lighting and optional wood-burning stoves, letting you live sustainably while staying warm and illuminated. Experience the outdoors with timeless charm and modern comfort. Welcome to PlainsCraft Canvas Innovation. Designed for adventurers who value quality and craftsmanship, these handcrafted canvas tents offer the perfect blend of rustic elegance and cutting-edge durability. Each PlainsCraft tent is made from premium marine-grade Sunforger canvas, ensuring it's weatherproof, breathable, and resistant to mold and mildew. Whether you're camping in the mountains or setting up a glamping retreat, these tents are built to last in any environment. Inside, you'll find spacious layouts designed for comfort and flexibility. Customizable options allow you to add wood-burning stoves, flooring, and even electricity for a fully equipped outdoor experience. With sturdy wood frames and reinforced seams, these tents combine traditional aesthetics with modern reliability. Discover a new way to live, work, and explore. Welcome to VanCubic, where innovative design meets ultimate flexibility. These prefabricated modular homes are built to adapt to your lifestyle, offering the perfect solution for modern, sustainable living. Each VanCubic unit is crafted with precision, using durable, eco-friendly materials that ensure longevity and minimal environmental impact. Whether you need a compact office, a cozy guest house, or a full-featured tiny home, VanCubic's sleek modular design can be tailored to meet your needs. Inside, you'll find thoughtfully designed spaces with high-quality finishes, from energy-efficient insulation to stylish interiors. Many models feature large windows that invite natural light while offering stunning views of the outdoors. Its price starts at $17,100. Meet the OTAG 385, luxury edition from Crawler Caravans, the ultimate blend of rugged durability and modern luxury, designed for adventurers who refuse to compromise. Built to tackle the toughest terrains, the OTAG 385 features a heavy-duty chassis and off-road suspension system, ensuring a smooth journey no matter where the road takes you. Its compact yet spacious design makes it easy to tow while offering plenty of room for comfort. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, boasting a sleek design that includes a fully equipped kitchenette, comfortable sleeping quarters, and a luxurious bathroom with a shower. Thoughtful storage solutions ensure you can bring all your essentials along without feeling cramped. The OTAG 385 Luxury Edition also comes with advanced features like solar panels, a water purification system, and climate control, letting you stay self-sufficient and comfortable in even the most remote locations. Step into the future of sustainable living with the off-grid HC container house Gaia, a groundbreaking self-sufficient housing project that redefines what it means to live off the grid. Gaia is more than just a home, it's a complete eco-friendly solution. Built from a marine-grade HC 20-foot shipping container, this house combines durability, functionality, and sustainability. The exterior features a galvanised corrugated metal roof designed to protect the structure while maximising rainwater collection, which is filtered and stored in a 1,000-litre tank for use in the kitchen and bathroom. Gaia's energy system is powered by both solar panels and a wind turbine, ensuring a continuous supply of renewable energy regardless of the season or time of day. Monitor energy usage, battery levels, and more via a convenient mobile app, giving you full control of your off-grid lifestyle. For appliances, the house is equipped with 12-volt and 24-volt systems, plus an inverter capable of generating higher voltages from 110 volts to 230 volts. With thermal insulation sprayed into the walls and a cosy spruce plywood finish, the interior remains warm and inviting. Clever storage solutions, a convertible sofa bed, and compact stools and tables optimise every inch of space. Redefine sustainable living with the ecocapsule box, a compact, self-sufficient home that combines cutting-edge technology with eco-friendly design for a truly innovative lifestyle. The ecocapsule box is designed to function off the grid, providing energy independence and environmental harmony. Equipped with high-efficiency solar panels and a wind turbine, it ensures a steady energy supply in virtually any location. Water sustainability is at the heart of the ecocapsule box. Its unique rainwater collection and filtration system provide clean, usable water for daily needs, whether for cooking, cleaning, or bathing. It offers a surprisingly spacious and functional layout. From its cosy sleeping area and compact kitchen to its clever storage solutions, every detail is optimized for comfort and practicality. Premium materials and minimalist design create a modern aesthetic, making it a perfect choice for adventurers, remote workers, or anyone seeking an eco-conscious lifestyle. Experience luxury camping with a sustainable twist. Introducing Powerdome, the solar-powered tent that combines cutting-edge technology with the comfort of glamping. This innovative tent is equipped with a built-in solar panel system, providing renewable energy to power lights, fans, and even small appliances, making your stay both eco-friendly and comfortable. Constructed from durable, high-quality materials, the Powerdome is built to withstand the elements, whether it's sunny, rainy, or windy. Its spacious interior offers plenty of room for a comfortable bed, storage, and even a small living area, all while maintaining a sleek, minimalist design. With a diameter of 6 metres and an area of 28 square metres, this solar-powered dome tent boasts luxurious interior decoration and is suitable for accommodating 2 people. Perfect for glampers and eco-conscious adventurers, the solar power capabilities make it ideal for remote locations, festivals, or luxury camping resorts. Transform your outdoor adventures with the IPoolGo Inflatable Air Tent, a modern, easy-to-use shelter designed for comfort, durability, and portability. It's built with advanced inflatable technology, allowing you to set it up in minutes without the hassle of traditional poles. Simply use the included air pump and watch the tent take shape effortlessly. Its durable, waterproof materials ensure reliable protection from the elements, whether you're camping, glamping, or hosting an outdoor event. Inside, the spacious design accommodates multiple people, offering enough room for beds and storage. Lightweight and portable, the IPoolGo Inflatable Air Tent is perfect for adventurers on the go. Redefine mobility and comfort with the Expandable Touchdown, a revolutionary trailer that transforms into a spacious living space in minutes. Perfect for adventurers, remote workers, or those seeking a versatile mobile home. The Expandable Touchdown features a unique design that allows it to expand its footprint effortlessly. Once deployed, it offers a fully equipped interior with ample living space, including a kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom, and storage solutions. Its modern aesthetic and high-quality materials ensure a comfortable and stylish experience, whether you're off-grid or at a campsite. Optional solar panels and sustainable energy solutions make it ideal for eco-conscious travellers. Compact for towing yet spacious when expanded, the Touchdown is perfect for anyone looking to take their home on the road. Discover the perfect blend of modern design and functionality with the Pod Studio from Podform, a versatile, prefabricated space tailored to fit your lifestyle needs. The Pod Studio is designed to be your ideal solution for a home office, creative studio, guest suite, or personal retreat. Its sleek, minimalist design features clean lines and premium materials, making it a stylish addition to any outdoor setting. Inside, the Pod Studio offers a bright and airy environment with plenty of natural light. Its customizable layout allows you to personalize the space, adding desks, seating, storage, or even a small kitchenette to meet your specific needs. It's a space that adapts to your needs, with a king-size Murphy bed that tucks away to reveal a cozy living area. Warm, elegant wooden elements contrast beautifully with the calm aluminum exterior. Step into the Babbalucci tiny house, a stunning combination of compact design and luxurious living. Crafted with attention to detail, this tiny home redefines small space living with elegance and functionality. The Babbalucci is designed for comfort and style, featuring a clever layout that maximizes every inch of its space. Inside, you'll find a cozy living area, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, and a spacious bathroom. The Babbalucci is based on a double-axle trailer and consists of a steel frame and steel cladding. The highlight is the loft bedroom, accessible via a sleek, space-saving staircase, offering a relaxing retreat with ample headroom. Built with high-quality materials, the Babbalucci is both durable and eco-friendly. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Adventure meets luxury with the Kimberly Kruiser off-road caravans, designed for explorers who want to go further without leaving comfort behind. Engineered for rugged terrain, these caravans deliver unparalleled durability and functionality. Built with advanced off-road suspension and a lightweight aerodynamic design, this off-road caravan is ready to tackle the most challenging landscapes. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance while maintaining easy towing. The stylish and spacious interior boasts a full-sized kitchen with premium appliances, a comfortable lounge area, and a deluxe sleeping space. The well-appointed bathroom features hot water and high-quality fittings. With ample water storage and filtration systems, you can venture into remote areas without compromising convenience. Arkup, a groundbreaking floating villa that redefines waterfront living, combining modern design, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly innovation. The Arkup is not just a house, it's a fully sustainable habitat. Powered by solar panels and equipped with an advanced battery system, it offers complete energy independence. This floating villa offers over 4,350 square feet of lavish living space, with sleek interiors that rival high-end homes on land. Inside, you'll find spacious open-plan layouts, modern kitchens with premium appliances, luxurious bedrooms, and spa-like bathrooms. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide breathtaking 360-degree views, immersing you in the beauty of your surroundings. It's built for both comfort and resilience. Its hydraulic stilts stabilize the villa in water or elevate it above rising sea levels, making it hurricane-resistant and adaptable to various water conditions. We have reached to the end of the video. Do make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy. See you on the next video. Cheers.